Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome to JL Studio.
May I take you to your seat?
The inspiration of the restaurant is Singaporean cuisine, recomposed, reimagined, and reinterpreted. In JL Studio, we focus a lot on hospitality. We hope to give guests the feeling of being at home. The menu consists of traditional Singaporean dishes and some new ideas of my own interpretation of it. I like to use Taiwanese local produce. It's amazing to have won the Miele One To Watch award. I feel so honored. I would like to have the world to know that Singaporean food is not only street food. There's a wide spectrum of flavors for you to enjoy. It's flavorful and fun.